Okay, this is my third and hopefully my last test for the evening. Uh, we have is a piece of 2-inch, it's actually galvanized pipe, it's all I can find. And I have molded the 158 degree eutectic metal into some wedge strips. I fill the pipe with water. We're about ambient temperature, probably 72 degrees outside. I'm inducing air, as you can see with the air pump, and you can see the bubbles coming to the surface. Okay, I'm going to put the heat to it, and I will give you readings with the temperature gauge, and most likely have to add more water and maybe add some more eutectic metal because I just don't have enough height to do it any other way. So here we go. Temperature now is 71 degrees. The water is beginning to boil, and you can actually see the metal beginning to melt on the edge of the pipe. Temperature shows to be 100 degrees on the outside, 101. Water temperature is 125. Okay, we're going to bring the water temperature up a little bit more. Temperature at the bottom is about 125. As you can see, the water is now boiling. Air is still being induced. I'm going to add a bit more eutectic metal to give us more hydrostatic. Although there are no bubbles, I'll continue to bring the water back up to boiling. Okay, as you can now see, the water is boiling again. The eutectic metal is dropped to the bottom and is beginning to solidify. Still seeing a few bubbles occasionally. As you can see, all the bubbles have sealed off. We could have added more heat, but I didn't think it was necessary. I believe we have sealed the leak. Surface temperature of the water seems to be about 130 degrees. Temperature on the outside is basically 100 degrees. Starting to cool off pretty fast. Outside temperature on the concrete is 69.5 degrees. I think this shows that we can seal the bubbles, and I will take a picture of the top of the plug after it cools in the morning.